In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tiers in Skool. Setting up pricing tiers properly is crucial if you want to offer different levels of access or benefits inside your Skool community. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where everything is and how to configure your tiers so they match your business model. First, go to your Skool home dashboard. This is the main page you land on when you log into your Skool account. Make sure you're in the correct community if you have more than one, because your pricing and tiers are set per community, not for your whole account. Once you're on the right community dashboard, look for the settings option. You'll usually find this in the main navigation, often along the top or on the left-hand side. Click on settings to open up all of the configuration options for your community. This is where you manage things like permissions, branding, and in this case, pricing. Inside settings, find and click on the pricing section. This is where you control how people pay to join your community, what they're charged, and how often. It's a good idea to already have a rough idea of your pricing strategy before you come here, so you're not guessing numbers on the spot. Within the pricing area, click on tiers. Tiers are essentially different membership levels, such as basic, standard, or premium. Each tier can represent a different set of features, levels of support, or content access that you decide to offer. Under the standard tier, click on Set Price. This will open up the price configuration for that specific tier. Here, click into the price field and type in the amount you want to charge. Think about the value this tier provides and where it sits compared to your other tiers. It can help to position your standard tier as the default choice for most people. Next, choose how you want to bill that tier. You'll see options like monthly only, monthly and annual, or annual only. Select the option that aligns with your strategy. Offering both monthly and annual can encourage longer commitments with a discount on the annual plan. Once you've entered the price and chosen the billing frequency, click on Set to save those changes for the standard tier. After that, repeat the same process for your remaining two tiers. Open each tier, set the price, choose monthly and/or annual, and click Set. When you're done, all three tiers will be configured and ready for your members to choose from.